Yes.
Well, I mean, how does the client prepare for a case? Well, that's extremely difficult to say. I mean, a favorite saying I have is that all cases are the same, but they're all different. And because you're dealing with different personalities, you're dealing with different property. Some cases have children, some cases don't. And so the preparation of a client to how to go through that case, it's extremely difficult to describe on a video such as this. I mean, it also depends on where the client is emotionally. Everybody is different. A divorce timeline also involves an emotional timeline, and some people come in and it's like, I'm ready to get through it, and let's just do what we have to do. And other people hasn't even started going through the anger process or the sadness. I mean, I like to tell people, in fact, I thought of this the other day, there are technically, supposedly to the experts, there are 5 stages of grief. Well, if you start applying those stages, a lot of them apply to a divorce case. And not all of them, but some of them do. And so you have to understand where that client is mentally. Some people are very depressed and they don't want the case, divorce, but there's nothing you can do to stop it if somebody else really wants one. Some clients are at the anger stage where they're extremely angry about what's going on, and so you have to deal with them from that perspective. Some people are extremely depressed about it, and so you have to deal with that form of depression. Now, depression is a very overly used word, but you have to deal with that emotion, okay? And then there are some people who are basically, the final stage is acceptance. They've accepted it. They want to do what has to be done to get it over with, and they're ready to move on. So it affects people. You just have to understand where the person is, and it's not something you can put in it's not a lineal. It's not something you can just put in one area. I mean, it's just different stages it's like life. You're in different stages of life. Divorce is unfortunately, you're in different stages of an mental, emotional roller coaster, if you will. So